Hey, what's up? This is Norris. I just recently partnered with Jarritos, and I've always been a fan of all of their flavors. And I think the pineapple is probably my favorite. But I just recently had friends over, and I'm not a huge drinker, but I do like to bring fun to a party. And what better way to say fun than bringing a case of Jarritos? But for those that do drink, I have a very easy, simple step just to show you how to enjoy it with alcohol. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make a quick cocktail. So right here in my glass, I have ice and a couple shots of spiced rum. You can use any kind of rum, tequila, even vodka. So make sure you have that. And I'm gonna choose pineapple for my preference. And you wanna pour about 4 ounces of the drink inside the cup. A little bit more if you don't like strong drinks, but that's about good for me. And squeeze a couple of limes in there. I put one more. And then one more lime just for the garnish. You want to mix it up a little bit. And there you have it. Ah, nice.